Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete Snapchat story from public profile. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete your Snapchat story from a public profile, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Snapchat application. Go to your profile page by clicking on the Bitmoji at the top right. Then, on your profile page, scroll down. You should see your public story. To delete the public story, all you need to do is click on the three dots on the story you want to delete. Then you should see, now click on the story. Once you click on the story, you should see the public story. If you click on it, it's going to open like this. Now, to delete the story from public profile, all you need to do is press and hold the story. Then you should see delete snap. Go ahead and click on delete snap. And then see what that says delete this snap. Then click on delete snap. And that is it. Then you should see the public story deleted. Is that? So that is exactly how to delete Snapchat story from public profile. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.